2080 payment plan and 2080 payment plan. So this is how last week went on with Shobha, where they announced 2080 payment plan, and on the fourth day when the 2080 payment plan was sold out, what happened? Shobha announced 2 billion dirhams of sales. There were two kind of people who says 2080 payment plan is really good, you should go for it. I sold lot of inventory there. Agents were saying that. There were agents who said they are experienced, they know sales, they know the market, this plan is not good. So what should an investor do? They were sharing videos of these payment plan, and these agents see there is always a product in the market which will not be for you. For me, how does this payment plan and how does this inventory or this marketing works? Me being in sales from last 11 years, I'll tell you one thing. I see this payment plan, this sales strategy from Shobha very smart. First, they announced it on the ticket size of more than 5 million. For me, this was the most strategic and smart move from Shobha. I was really impressed by that as a business owner. I am being in business and sales from last 11 years. So this was an amazing move for them. Let's move on to, this is good for the investor or no? If it was, for me, it was not good if the product fundamentals were different. They changed the layout of the unit, they increased the pricing and then introduced 2080 payment plan, then this was not good. If the product location is same, fundamentals are same, your unit size is same, the product pricing is same, then it's obviously, it does make sense. If I have money 20%, I don't want to disturb my cash flow, then this is for me. That's how 2 billion dirhams of inventory was sold. Else, the people who bought in this payment plan, they are not stupid. Investors are not stupid. You can make 1-2 people fool or just in the fear of messing out. You can sell to them, but not 2 billion dirhams of inventory you can sell with that. So it does make sense to people. Not every product is for everybody. I will not lose a client by if this was not a good deal. I will not share it with my client and lose my client with some stupid offer, because I know my clients know that this is a strategic move. It is good for business perspective of the developer and for the end user as well. That's it. For an investor, this was the same product with 60/40 payment plan, same location, same layouts, each and everything. Being a developer as Shobha, like you cannot even say that they cannot build the project. Yes, they can. They are cash rich. They have delivered massive products. I look it as, I told my clients, I look it as at the situation after COVID. What happened? What Damag did? What Reportage did? What other developers did? Like, they were flexible at that time. I always say, look at the previous transactions, what happened in this situation, like the situation we are in now. So this is what happens when you at the time of uncertainty, you have to, as a business point of view, you have to be flexible. That's how Shobha is. That's what they did. That's how they sold. In the first few weeks ago, they sold 1.7 billion. Now this weekend they sold 2 billion. So they broke their records with this smart move. So that's how 2080 payment plan. This is really a good opportunity for those with whom it makes sense, and for some people it will never make sense, because I guess those agents were not able to sell, or they are not happy with Shobha, whatever it is. There will be developer which will be good but not make sense to any agent, any investor, and there will be some products which will make sense to anybody. And to all the agents, to all my brothers in the market, you can sell anything. My brother, you can sell anything, but you cannot sell everything. Just enjoy, my man. Enjoy the sales. Have a good day.